Welcome to JH. To remove a video background, first select your clip and head to the Effects panel. Search for Key and drag the Color Key effect onto your footage. Next, open Effect Controls and select the Color Key settings. Use the eyedropper tool to click on your background color directly in the preview window. Now, increase the color tolerance by dragging the slider to the right. If your subject starts disappearing along with the background, don't worry. Simply hold the Alt or Option key and drag the clip upward to duplicate it. Select this new top layer and go to the opacity settings. Choose the pen tool to draw a mask around your subject. Trace a path around the person and connect the points to complete the shape. After that, delete the color key effect specifically from this top clip. You will see the background is now gone. Keep in mind that you may need to track the mask if there is movement in the shot. If this tutorial was useful, please like the video and subscribe for more. See you next time.